Hey guys, thank you for checking out another video from Binary Bot Real Accounts. Today guys, I just wanted to make a video, for those interested in starting binary options. It can be a bit tricky, because, to really understand binary options in trading, you need to have experience. A lot of persons enter Forex or binary options, they don't have that. And sometimes they're actually just trying to earn quickly and safely. So with my experience in trading over the past years guys, I went ahead and had created a automated trading robot for the binary.com platform, which is safe for small accounts, because we do know that a lot of traders, especially new ones, they don't really enter the market with a substantial amount of cash that they're able to trade with, so initially the idea would be to enter with a small amount and then try to scale that safely, over time until you're able to leverage that into greater returns. So guys, I actually just want to show you how profitable my bot is. Alright, and how safe it is. You can use an amount of, I'd say, at least $50 to $100. It will work just fine. So I'm going to go ahead and just show you guys how this works. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the market. So I'm going to go with synthetic indices. I don't know, I love VIX 75 just because it's fast, and I think UltraBot works best with the VIX 75 market, just because of its velocity or volatility, I should say. But let's go ahead and give this a run. Right now I'm seeing where VIX is more off in a range here, so I'd say give it some time to break up, but I'll go ahead and run it anyway. I'm seeing on the greater time frames it's buying, so let's see. So right now guys, I'm using an initial amount of 35 cents. As you can see, the bot just went ahead and placed that for only 35 cents. If it wins that, it will then place another bet there for $1.25 right there. You see, so we're using small amounts out of our $50. So just ignore this virtual amount. I just use this for demonstration purposes, just to show how profitable the bot is. Alright, so it went ahead and lost that $1.25. So what it does guys, it goes again and places another bet, just doubling that up just to recover your losses, right? And when it does recover your losses, it goes back and bets that initial amount, that win amount of $1.25 until you get your win streak. And I'll show you what I mean. See that? So another thing with this bot guys, if you haven't seen my previous videos, go ahead and check them out. This bot only gets 2 consecutive losses, 2 to 3, and only 3 when it's really tough market conditions. But in my experience, following the instructions that comes with the binary UltraBot, you will not have that problem. You will be seeing 2 to 3 losses tops, just in my experience using this. But like I said, when I just started binary options, I had no idea about charts or Forex or any of that stuff. I just actually saw a video, of this stuff, and people are just making money, and I'm like, okay, seems easy enough. So I went in, not knowing anything, didn't have a mentor or any of that stuff, and I lost all my money. So it was pretty rough. It was pretty rough, guys. And I said to myself, because I kept doing my accounts, obviously I knew nothing, I was just basically gambling on the market. So I said to myself, let me just take a break and try to actually learn, how this stuff works. And really guys, I could offer you guys this bot, it's really profitable. I could offer you guys this bot, but in the long run guys, it's always good just to learn how the market works, and just what you need to really thrive in trading on the markets. Because if you don't get the fundamentals down guys, this market will eat you up and it will take all your money. Now even robot trading, even with this bot, guys, it's very risky. So I would say please be careful even if using this, alright, because trading is risky in general. Now, I do make it a bit easier for you guys, seeing that you are beginners. I do make it a bit easier for you. I do provide instructions and everything how to use this bot. Alright, and if you want to see future updates of this bot, guys, I do urge you to like and subscribe to the channel, because this is all we do. We just share ways to earn on the market. So as you can see, guys, I'm seeing a beautiful win streak. Are you seeing that? We're almost at $11 profit right there. So yeah, guys, I mean, this bot it's pretty safe and very profitable. As you can see, we're already at $12 profit. I'd say, just to be on the safe side, have at least $100 account. I've seen it run with as little as $20, to be honest, but like I said, trading is risky, and the more you have, the better it will be for you, just trust me. So yeah, but as you can see, guys, it's got no more than 2 consecutive losses. Like I say, if it goes above that, stop it, check the charts, and I'll show you how to check the trends, and all of that. I do offer support and all of that. Usually I would be typing, but I feel as if I want to speak to my subscribers. I really want you guys to know that, I'm really here to help, definitely. So tell me what you think about this bot, though, guys. Tell me what you think. I'm really trying to make binary options profitable and easy for especially newcomers, those that has no idea, who could really just get a footstep out there and be like, oh, I tried this and I didn't blow my account. Because that's all you've been hearing on YouTube and all over the place. People blowing their accounts when they're trading and stuff like that. And really, it's not cool, because it gives the whole Forex community and the binary options community a bad name, and that is not true, guys. Most of you guys come in here not knowing how to trade, you understand, and it takes patience, and it takes discipline. It truly does, guys, and I can be a testimony to that. I would not have known that if I've never been through some of the stuff that I've been through. Alright, and that's a fact. So it's with all that I'm actually able to come to you guys now and present you guys almost like this gem, man. Look at this. This is autopilot, guys. This is $20 profit already. So just see where I'm coming from, alright? And you could get this today, guys, and basically in your first session, this pays back for itself. But I'm only offering this to persons who are having issues, trading, and just really want to see a profitable way through binary options. So again, guys, like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think. This is the first time I'm speaking out on the channel. Like I said, I usually just type. So let me guys know what you think, man. Also, guys, if you wanna use this platform, right? If you wanna be able to set all this up, it is very important that you use the link in the description below. That gets you your auto trading account, and it's only with that link you'll be able to access the UltraBot, my UltraBot, guys. This very bot you're seeing right now. So use the link below, comment down below, and just so you know, guys, the payment method for this, we're using Coinbase Commerce. So it's easier, because a lot of people, I find, they don't actually have like a particular payment method or payment type, and they would get frustrated and reach out, and we just wanna make sure. So alright, look at this, guys. See, you got 3 loss right here. So this would be a good time to stop the bot. So I'm gonna stop it on the next win. Let me show you guys how you use this. So on the next win, I'm gonna stop the bot, because it's a sign. So I stop the bot right there. Alright, see that? $26 profit, guys. And that is how you use the UltraBot. It's very simple, guys. It's very simple. And there we go, $27.82. It's very simple, guys. It's not hard. I think this is the only channel I've seen on YouTube that has this much of consistency with their bot. Hey, tell me if I'm wrong. Tell me if I'm wrong, alright? Comment down below. But yeah, Yeah. So this is the easiest method I know for beginners right now in binary options. You don't have to learn a lot. It's more like earning while you learn. All right, because once you get the bot and all of that, you'll be provided information on how the bot works, and by doing that, you actually see how the charts work and how price actually moves. And just using the bot, guys, trust me, you'll learn a lot. You learn a lot how it places its trades and how the market works just by watching it. So if this bot interests you guys, like I said, it's been 27, nearly $30 there. I could go ahead and run this again. Let me run it again. Let's make some more money, but I'm not trying to make this video too long, if you know what I mean, guys. So that's just it. But yeah, guys, it's a pretty good bot. It's a pretty good bot. I worked hard on it and everything. So you're welcome. But like, comment, subscribe, guys. I'm gonna make it win one last time, and then I'm gonna cut this video. Boom. Alright. $2.76. See, guys, $30, man. $30 just like that. And I know that doesn't seem like a lot to a lot of people, like $30. But hey, think about it. A lot of people in the world, man, that's a lot of money, man, in some countries, and a lot of my customers, they're from all over the world, so yeah, a lot of people will be happy for that. So what do you do after that, guys? You just stop it and run it again. But like I said, I'm out, guys. Peace. Stay safe.